Welcome to Waterbay, an executive condominium located in District 19 on Edgefield Plains in Punggol. A 99-year-old leasehold condominium TOP in 2016. Waterbay has a total of 383 units and a max height of 17 stories across 6 towers, considerably a low-density development. MOP is in January 2021. Waterbay has full condo facilities, to name a few: tennis court, children's playhouse, hydro gym, a 50-meter lap pool, clubhouse with gym and function room. Invite your friends over for a cozy barbecue or chill out in the various pavilions. Waterbay units range from 2 to 5 bedrooms, and today I'm going to show you a 1,098 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths unit. As you enter, you will notice immediately how much natural light and cold breezy wind that seep in through the balcony. You can start your own herbs garden or just place some outdoor chairs here for relaxation. The full glass mirror release opens up the space, making the living and dining area look even bigger than it already is. Over on the living room area, the built-in storage cabinets that displays the television and sound system makes really good use of the space. Easily grab your drinks and have your quick meals over this countertop, which doubles up your breakfast spot. Many units these days have open kitchen concept, but we all know how heavy cooking smells really choke up the home. Behind this glass door, you will find a fully equipped wet kitchen to unleash that master chef in you. Further in will be the utility room and additional bathroom. Come, let me show you the 3 bedrooms in this unit. First 2 common rooms each have built-in cabinets, single beds, study tables, all with good natural lights coming in. The ensuite master bedroom also comes with a walk-in wardrobe. A 10 minutes walk will take you to Punggol MRT and Waterbay Point. Alternatively, you can take a bus down 2 stops. Truly convenient. Just across the street, you can get your groceries from Giant or head down to GM Food Centre for your morning coffee and meals. If you are a nature lover, Coney Island is just a 5 minutes drive away. Not forgetting the Punggol Waterway Park, very popular amongst the Punggol residents. Soak in the sun, sand and sea all right here in Punggol. For drivers, the TPE will connect you easily to KPE and ECP. Gets to town in less than 20 minutes and the Changi Airport in 15 minutes. This unit is going at a very attractive price. Hope this unit suits your own stay or investment purpose. Don't forget, once Waterbay is fully privatized in 2026, 10 years after TOP, it will then be open to foreigners to purchase as well. I can't wait for you to see this place. Give me, Claire, a call at 9118-4698 from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. See you soon.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.